I'm Scott with Marcs Mobility. Today I'm going to show you how to disassemble and reassemble the GoGo Endurance AL Plus scooter by Pride Mobility. If you're interested in this scooter or you need parts for this scooter, we do ship them all across the country. Check the link in the description for the parts page and for this scooter. So I'm going to hop right into it. We're going to take the scooter apart first. We're going to start with the seat. I like to go ahead and push the seat down like this. That way you can grab it in this little gap in here. Now the seat on the scooter, you just lift straight up. There's no reason to hold this swivel handle. You can if you want, but you don't have to. You just lift straight up. Don't lift backwards, don't lift to the side. Try to lift straight up. If you lift at an angle, it's not gonna go up, but if you go straight up, it should come out very easily. Next step is battery removal. You'll grab right here and lift the batteries off. They are held in place by some Velcro down there, so you might have to give them a little bit of a tug, but they will come out pretty easily, and these are lithium batteries, so they're nice and light. Next step, we're going to bring the tiller down. This scooter has a tiller adjust right here, which is nice. You can hit that with your foot as you're driving. So in this case, to bring it down, you're going to push it forward, and you'll bring the tiller all the way down. You can also take the basket off by pushing this tab and sliding the basket off. And then there is a steer lock up front if you want to do this step. You don't have to, but you'll push it in and then to the right, and that will prevent your wheels from turning when we break the scooter down one more time. To break it down one more time, we're going to lift up on this handle right here. So straight up, it'll disconnect the rear from the front, and you can wheel the front forward. So now you have the scooter broken down, you can easily get it into your vehicle. I believe the heaviest piece is 35 pounds on this scooter. Now to reassemble the scooter, you'll see on this back piece you have these two green lines. You're going to line that up with the two green lines that are right here. This is going to go over. So I like to hold it right here from where we were lifting earlier. You can see in these little holes right here as well where you're going. Just make sure those are lined up, and it should very easily go in. You can maybe lightly tap it, but there's no reason to try to force it. If it's not going in, then you're not lined up. Try again. It should go down very easily. Don't try to force it. Once it's in and nice and locked, we'll go ahead and bring our tiller back up. We'll grab our batteries. Go ahead and stick the batteries in. Make sure they're seated properly and they're not just sitting like that. You won't get any power. Make sure they're actually pushed in a little bit. We'll grab our seat, then the seat post goes right in here. And it locks in place. Pull it back to normal, then we'll just slide our basket back on. Check power to make sure your batteries are on. I got power, so we're good to go. This has been how to assemble and disassemble the GoGo Endurance AL Plus. Once again, if you need parts or if you're interested in the scooter, check the link in the description below. We can ship these to you all around the country. If you have any questions, give us a call. We'd love to speak with you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marcs Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.